Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Niro versus Sportage. Let's start by looking at their size and how that impacts your daily driving. The Niro is a smaller, more nimble option, perfect for navigating city streets and tight parking spots. On the other hand, the Sportage offers a more substantial presence, providing greater passenger comfort and significantly more cargo capacity for those longer trips or family adventures. Consider your typical passenger and cargo needs. Next, let's dive into what powers these vehicles and how efficiently they use fuel. The Niro lineup is designed with efficiency at its core, offering impressive fuel economy with its hybrid and electric options, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. The Sportage, however, provides more traditional gasoline engines, delivering stronger acceleration and towing capabilities. Your driving style and priorities, whether it's saving at the pump or having more power, will guide your decision here. Moving inside, both the Niro and Sportage boast impressive interiors packed with technology and comfort. You'll find intuitive infotainment systems and a suite of advanced safety features in both. However, the Sportage generally provides a more expansive cabin, offering extra legroom and headroom, particularly for those in the back seats. This can make a big difference on longer journeys or when regularly transporting multiple passengers. Both offer quality materials and thoughtful design. Finally, let's consider the overall value and help you make your choice. The Niro typically comes with a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option if budget is a primary concern, especially for its efficiency. The Sportage, while potentially higher in cost, offers a wider array of trim levels and more powerful engine options, providing greater versatility and premium features. Ultimately, your ideal vehicle depends on your specific needs for space, power, and fuel economy. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.